Nkoma Clive, how are you?
How are you, Nkoma Clive?
I'm good. Zirizai. This is unique. You know, I thought you were only into herbs until Mike Craig tells me, Clive has got fish in a tank, and you know, we had the spare tank, wanted to use it at home, and he says, I want it cut. Before we agreed, the next thing, the tank is cut
off.
And it's full of water. Where did you get the water from? Where's the tank from? You know, with women.
Tank Ranyura.
He says, no, long as a fish. You should go and see what Clive has got. Okay, but this is amazing. This is a 10,000 liter tank.
Cut into half. Yeah. Actually, this was a disposed tank.
Okay.
Then we thought of reusing it into something else better.
Yes.
So we thought of using it for fish farming.
Fish farming.
Yeah.
So how many fish can this hold?
This at maximum can hold 500.
500
which can
fish.
grow up to 300 grams.
300 grams.
Yeah.
500, 300 grams. That's how many kgs? Wait, calculator. 500 fish. 500 fish by 300 grams.
Yeah, 0.3.
Okay, I'd put it by 0.3. That's 150 kgs. And how much is a kg of fish?
It's around $4.80.
150 times 4.
80.
$4.80. 720 just from a pond.
From
a tank like this. And the tank is worth how much?
The tank is these 10,000 liter tanks. If it's new, it's around 750. But if this one you are buying from an auction or from someone who has disposed it, you get it around 100, 120.
$100.
Yeah.
So $100. Put your water in. You put how much does it cost to put your fingerlings?
Fingerlings, they are $60 per thousand. So that means $30 for the.
So you put $30. So $130. You've started your project. And you get 700. If you grow them a little bit longer, you make your $800 from 130. Within how many months?
Within 6 months.
What an easy project. So is there fish in here?
There's fish in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's see if we throw some.
I wish I'd brought my fish line. I was going to.
Let's see if we throw some feed.
Oi.
Maybe I can go and get some fishing net. Just
yeah,
wait.
please. We want to see. Hey. This is interesting. Here you are, youth. We always talk of capital. If you look at the space, this what?
Actually, before you can come here.
Yeah.
You can come here.
What do you have here?
Come. Maybe this is much more interesting.
Yeah. This is a tub, huh?
This is a tub.
Yes.
Yeah, a deceased tub.
What do you have in here? Okay. So from here, you take them to the main tank.
To the main tank, yeah. That's good.
Wow. But these are nice if you fry them.
Yeah, these ones you can eat everything.
Everything, including the bones.
Bones, yeah.
So for how long do you keep them in here?
It just depends. Because right now I don't have any extra tank to move them to a bigger tank. So I'm just keeping them here temporarily.
Until you harvest those ones.
There are about 100 in here.
100?
Yeah.
Wow. This is interesting. Wow. So now, let's see the big one now.
It's now raining. And try this one.
So I was
very difficult to catch one.
What's the diameter of this tank?
I'm not so sure.
Let me do a rough. I usually move with my tape measure. I don't know what happened today. 1, 2, about 3.5 meters. 3 by 3. So meaning that, you know, on a very small space, you can actually.
It's difficult to get one if water is full like this.
Yeah.
It's very difficult.
What if we put? Hey, there, you got it. How do I hold it? Wow,
This is actually the smallest one.
it's small. Oh,
There it goes.
hey, afraid of fish. Afraid of fish. Maybe if we throw a feed and then.
Yeah. Then where did I put the net? It fell into the tank.
Ah.
You can't see it.
Oh. So this project, what type of fish are you putting in?
This is tilapia.
Okay.
Just say in simple terms, bream.
Or bream,
Yeah.
guaya?
Guaya, yeah.
Yes. Okay, but can you do other breeds?
You can do other. I did catfish. I
Oh.
did those ornamental ones. I did koi.
Yeah.
In there, I think koi is right now. It is the farm in Marondera.
Yeah.
I also did matemba, masinde.
Yes.
Yeah. Those I've done quite
But
well.
which one is more rewarding?
You know, this one in Nyama.
It's popular.
Yeah,
it's
popular,
nyama.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Just put baguette in your fish.
Yeah.
Before you finish writing, it's all gone.
It's all gone.
So, what can you say to our youth? Is it easy to start? And yeah, we know we've talked of $130
Yeah.
for starters, but even you can get it for free to someone who doesn't need it. And if you
It's quite easy to start. It's something that is easy. For me, I can say as for feed, I'm not using the commercial feed
Yeah.
more commonly.
Yeah.
I do worms, earthworms, red earthworms.
Oh.
You can actually come here and maybe
Oh.
I can show you.
So you're feeding with earthworms.
Earthworms, duckweed, and azolla. So
Yeah.
those things are quite easy to get.
Okay.
Yeah. So here you can maybe put some lights. So all kitchen waste comes into this.
Oh.
Then look what we have.
Oh.
So this becomes your fish feed.
Oh, I see.
At the same time, you are managing all kitchen waste, all household waste.
Yeah.
Coming
and,
between you.
and I can see cockroaches are
Yeah.
breeding as well.
Yeah.
So your project is very viable, huh?
Yeah. So even the worms you can sell. You can,
Yeah.
You can also get your vermicomposting.
Yes,
which
yes.
Whereby you are getting your worm tea, your solid worm cast.
Yeah.
Then you are done. So for my herbs, I have good fertilizer, organic fertilizer.
Wow. So this is all organic.
This is all organic.
Hey, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So the profit you're making from your fish is quite high.
Quite high. Yeah.
Yeah, your margin is quite a good
if
margin.
you avoid commercial feeds, you use alternatives.
But
better.
okay, in this case, in the event of people who want to start, but particularly the youth, do you offer training and do you also sell fingerlings?
I offer training. Sometimes if I have fingerlings, I sell or I refer them to other suppliers. Also, sometimes for other youth who really want to learn, I offer apprentice, whereby they go to the farm and maybe spend 1 week or
That's
2 weeks.
in Marondera.
In
yeah.
Marondera. Then they have hands-on experience.
And they've got boarding facility, everything.
There's somewhere
Wow.
where someone can put off.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. That sounds beautiful. How long does the training take?
It's usually a day thing, but
Yeah.
if you want to have hands-on to really
Hands-on and-
grasp the nitty-gritties.
Because I can imagine your herbs as well as the
fish,
worms, all that. Yeah.
You just need to grasp everything. And
The longer I stay, the better.
The
Oh, wow,
better, yeah.
that's beautiful. No, I love it. No, thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
yeah, I think we'll be getting in touch, the youth as well.
Yeah.
We'll come during the day with, I don't want a net. I want to bring a fishing line.
So I'll make sure I stuff them before you bring them.
Yes, please do.
Then we use the worms too.
Exactly. Yeah. No, great. No,
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Now
for
I'm
the
full
nice
of-
job. Oh, that's money, man. That's money. It's not dirty.
Some people, they call it dirty.
Yeah. Soon we'll be having Mike Craig's fish, and we'll be having a look. We want you to come,
I'll
have
come
a look
and
as
have a
they are
look,
growing.
yeah. All right.
And these are breeding.
These are mixed.
Oh, they're
so
mixed.
they breed.
They breed.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
They breed. So